you just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hi guys, hello guys, yeah, welcome back to our channel. So I just got my second order, marykay order delivered, and this particular product is my first customer ever. It's actually my second. The first person was my sister. When she visited, she joined and she ordered and she became a member. But this one is me selling for the first time. I'm retailing to a customer, so I just got it delivered and I'll be unboxing it with you guys. I got my own package, my treatment package 3 weeks ago, and I've been using it. I don't know if you guys can see the glow. Now I'm glowing. I bought a treatment because the acne cleared but was now very dark and I was having some issues, so I started the treatment package and it's been doing wonders. Let me zoom it in. Got glowing my faces. I bought moisturizer, brightener, the body cream and everything. But this is a customer's order and I have just one item, my brush. So I'm going to be showing you guys and unboxing it. Yeah, let's go into the living room to unbox it. It's a package. So guys, let me switch the camera. You can't see. So that's the box. Then yeah, after I unbox it, I'm going to repack it and send to the customer. So here we go. The person already uses marykay. It's actually my second sister in the Netherlands. She already uses marykay, so she's just purchasing a new set. She's repurchasing a new set. Oh, that's a set. New sets. The 3D marykay. She purchased the time-wise 3D miracle sets. The cleanser, the night cream, the day cream, and the eye cream. Yeah, no matter dry. Oh, this is nice. It even came with a bag. Wow, very nice. And she also purchased the cream, intense moisturizing cream. Wow. And this is for me. I finally got my brush. The Invigorate Sonic brush. This is one of the best skincare item everybody should have. There's no how you can wash your face with your hands. You need a brush. Just this is alone is like 90 euros, but it's worth it because once you buy it, you can use it for years and years and years. Let me open it for you guys to see. So here is it. Let me move this to the back. Wow, this is massive. It's my profit from the sale of this to my customer that I used in buying this. Can you imagine? I'm already making it, guys. I'm already making money, guys, in this business. It's so exciting. So with that, I was able to buy my, and I still made some extra. Oh, look at how sturdy. Let me show you this. Show you guys. Wow, look at how sturdy this is. Very famous sturdy. Wow, and this is the edge. And it has a USB charger, guys. Wow, USB charger. Wow, this is really good. Ooh, wow. Wow, can you guys hear that? Stays for 1 minute and it goes off. You can adjust the length. Wow. I got something like this earlier on. Let me show you. It's in the bathroom. This is in the bathroom. This is it. I bought this from Primark, but it's too small. But it also works. It's also a sonic. It uses a battery. It changes it. It also works really nice. But I like that. That's a bigger. The head is bigger, and you can use it. That's my new range of product. I'm going to show you guys later on. Wow, I'm loving Marykay's invigorating skincare system. Now that's the manual, speed control, battery indicator, charging point. So I'm going to charge it now, and they said the battery life lasts for weeks and weeks. So I'm going to charge it now and keep using it. Wow. Yeah, so I'll repackage this and send back to my sister in a smaller carton to her address. And this was free. Okay, look, it's a gift. So this is the cream. It is it. Wow. So I'll put this in this bag for her and just pack it nicely with the cream. Yeah, that's the cream. It's small, but a little goes a long way. Use this specular to turn it. And a cleanser, night cream, day cream, and eye cream. Yeah, love. And my first order is ready for shipment. Yeah, in the cute bag. So I'm going to find a carton for it, seal it up, and dispatch it. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm going to be gifting my first customer with a mirror, a Marykay mirror. I'll ship it along as a gift. Yeah, for purchasing. So I have all my products here. Here's the order. If I don't have it here, I'm going to be ordering it and sending it to them within a week. So I have all these freebies sample size, the mini sachet one. I have perfume gifts, sample perfume as gifts. I also have this mini size of the set as gifts. This is microdermabrasion sets also as gifts. They are freebies. So once anybody orders, I just send it to them, and I have more mirrors here. Mirror that I can gift. So all my products are. This is just basically my Marykay drawer for the business. So I'll arrange it later on. With gift bag, I have all sorts of gift bag. This is the bag that contains all my freebies. Yeah, so worry guys, I'm patronizing your girl. So I'm going to be packing it back in the carton and using this to seal it to cover it. Then I seal it up and send to the address. Let's order. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered for my skincare range that makes my skin glow like this. I'm going to show you guys. Yeah. Hi guys, so my new order is arrived. Yeah, so we'll be unboxing it together. I ordered some products. Marykay increased their price on July. Today's July the 1st. So 3 days ago I quickly made my order. So I'll be unboxing it. These are the products I'll be needing at before the price went up by 10%. So
you do that yourself.
I shouldn't do what?
I saw you like with your knife once. You don't do that.
It's fine.
No.
Yeah, so I'm making a video, please. Wow. Wow. So these are the mini 4-in-1 cleanser, eye cream, night cream. Oh, I bought 2 sets of this. It was just €4 for. If you want it, it's like a mini size, travel pack size. I bought 2 sets of this. Then this one is like this. Also the microdermabrasion. This one is a exfoliator, and this is the cream, pore minimizer cream, the mini size, and this is the marykay perfume. So all my product, yeah, can't wait. This is my body lotion. This is my 4-in-1 cleanser. This is micellar water, botanical refreshing toner, oil moisturizer for acne prone, solution for acne prone, metallic peel, and this is my under eye corrector. Oh, this is my 3D foundation. Let me see if they got the right order. This is my foundation, Bronze 160. Oh, nice. Then clinical solution. This is my brightener. Oh, and this is my primer. So everything arrived. The way they pack it, you think it will not contain, but this is nice. So these are the products I just have. It's my care range, my treatment range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I ordered the mini size of 13. Nice, that's nice. So I'll be doing a video of where I use all my products. Yeah, I can't wait. Let me quickly go and start my night care routine. Yeah, so these are all my products, my 300 euros worth of products, all marykay, and these are the cartons. Yep, I can't wait to add it to my collections. I'm so excited. Let me go and add it to my collections. And these are my sample, my mini size. Yeah, so these are all the products. I'm going to add it to my other range of products. Yeah, I won't have enough, so enough. Let me remove all these old ones I'm using. Hi, and that's me. Hello. Yeah, so let me remove this one I'm using. Let me arrange all my products. Yeah. These ones I still have, so I'm still, when I finish, I'm going to open this one. So I'll keep this back in the carton. All these ones are for treatments. Then peel off all these ones. Yeah, I'm going to arrange all of them. Show you guys, these are makeup. These are for makeup. Yeah, look at it, guys. That's my range. That's my range. Yeah, that's my range of products. I'm so excited. I can start using all my products. Yeah, that's me. Let me go shower so I can start applying everything. Yeah. Love. I'm loving my purchase.